everyday cooking dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing butter garlic salmon. And this is easy, real quick, easy, simple dinner. We got smoked paprika, we got ground thyme, we got onion powder, we got lawry's, we got lemon pepper, Mrs. Dash lemon pepper, no salt, wonderful. And then we got garlic powder, and then we got some thyme. We're gonna put this all together and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here's our seasoning. I'll have a full list of the measurements down below, but we're just gonna go ahead and mix this up together real quick. All right, so we got this all mixed up. We got our garlic already chopped. We got our butter ready to go. All right, guys, this comes together really fast. So let's just get some avocado oil. So I'm just going to go on top of our salmon with a little bit of avocado oil. Not too much. We just want to put enough to cover everything up so we can have it act as a binder. Now I'm going to leave the skin on, but I am going to put a little bit of I'm going to put a little bit of avocado oil on the bottom here. All right. And now we're just going to go on top with the seasoning. I'm not going to use it all. I may try and save some of this for later, for another time. But just go on top with this, and I'm going to rub everything in. That might be too much. So let's go ahead and rub this in. Get this everywhere. Oh, maybe I'm going to use it all. We're going to let this sit while the pan gets hot. But here's a quick look. Nicely covered, right? It's gonna be well seasoned. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so our pan is heating up. Let's just go in with a little bit of avocado oil. Now this is a new pan. I bought this new pan. This is a ceramic pan. So it's a little different. I'm just starting to learn how to work with it. Let's just get this covered up. Alright, guys, so our pan is nice and hot. Just get some oil there. We got a little steam. And we always want to go down with our presentation side. So that's the top side of this. So down we go. Always first. Make sure we get full contact. Again. Down. Full contact. You don't touch it. Let it be. Now I want to bring you guys in a little closer. See here how we're starting to change color? When this gets about halfway, this is when I'm going to go ahead and take a look at it. You see how it's changing? So we're just going to let that go for a few seconds, and I'll bring you back once it's halfway done. All right, so let's flip these over. And I'm going to turn my pan down. And let's just get some oil. Guys, I think I'd rather use my cast iron pan next time. It's a nice pan, but this fish is all over the place. Alright, guys, so this is going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes until we get to about like 135 or so. And then that's when we're going to pull it back out. And we're going to go ahead and dredge it in our garlic and our butter. So we'll be back once we get to about 135, and I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, so we're back. I'm just going to take a quick tip real quick. 119, 122. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and start to 128. I'm going to go ahead and get us ready for our butter sauce. I'm going to pull these out of here real quick. All right, guys, so we're going to go in with our butter. We're going to let that melt. All right, guys, so our butter's melted. And we're just going to go in with some thyme. And then our garlic. We're going to let these two come together. You guys just remember now, this pan is hot. It just came out of the oven. Make sure you use your pot holder. Alright guys, this smells good in here. We just want this butter to, I'm going to turn the pan down all the way to low. We're just going to let this all come together. Alright, that garlic is cooked. We're going to introduce our salmon back into the pan. And then we're just going to baste our salmon in the butter. Guys, this pan is nice, but it's a little too slippery. It's just not letting me get it full. Let's check our temp. We don't want to overcook it, right? 141, 120, 131. We're going to be very mindful of the temperature. Now, our pan is on low. All right, guys, so let's take a quick look. 144. 139, guys. I'm pulling these. These are done. They're gonna carry over cook, so they're coming out and we'll be back. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.